Hello, Young Road here, and welcome to my channel. The last video seen us basically on our way to Lulworth Cove, and we're actually going to start this one where we're just arriving there. Stay tuned. Cove.
Crab sandwich.
Phil says she's looking forward to a crab sandwich.
Like one crab.
Well, there's a boat just coming in there.
And cheese. Then we can share.
Very nice indeed. Just a boat going out. Oh, just had a really nice tuna and cheese panini and a crab sandwich. Shared it with the wife. Very nice. This is so stressful, but I managed to cope with it. Real nice place. Lobster pots. So, we're on his way to Portland. Oh, we're there. Part of the Jurassic Coast. Big cruise liner in the dock there. Some paragliders, there's kite boards, that's it, something like that. Basically surfing with a big kite. Great place for practicing your hill starts. Just to bring some of the trainees up here. Guys, we are going up high now.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something.
Bacon brie and cranberry. And an ice cream tea. There's Portland built.
lovely setting. The food were good. Right on the edge of the cliff. And I tell you what, total respect to those guys if they've cycled up that hill, because it were damn steep.
As you can see, I've just had the drone up for a quick flight. I didn't do exactly what I wanted to. I had great ideas of flying it along the coast and looking at all the rocks and the coves, but I chickened out on that one. The lady in the lighthouse, I asked her, am I allowed to fly a drone up here, because I couldn't get onto the Assist app. And she says, oh yeah, you can do. She says, but, don't fly over the MOD building, which is sort of, to the right of the lighthouse. She says, I have seen drones just drop out of the sky there. It's a big listening centre. Whether they can jam signals or not, who knows? I haven't got a clue. But, it was all good fun.
An inlet there where no doubt a boat would come in and then take stuff off along with the crane. The sun's starting to set a little bit, so now we're going to make his way back to Weymouth. But yeah, it's been really nice here. It's hard to describe how nice it is because there's nothing here really, but it's just rugged and I don't know, very pleasant. talking to one of the locals, and he mentioned something quite good, and that's a certain word is not actually allowed to be used on the island. You're allowed to use the word bunny, but you're not allowed to use the R word. Apparently it's supposed to be very, very bad luck. Bunnies years ago used to burrow into the cliffs and the soil, and therefore cause a rock to slide and kill the miners. So yeah, they call it a bunny, and never use the R word. And this applies as soon as you come across the piece of land from the mainland to here. That's called the tombola, as in bingo. So if you ever come here, remember, you come over the tombola, never use the R word. Okay, so we're just leaving Portland now. Can't believe the weather we've had. We've been so lucky. Beautiful evening. But we're just going to go to a supermarket and get some soup and some bread and just have a nice light evening meal tonight. We had quite a late lunch and then topped it off with an afternoon cream tea as well, so enough's enough.
Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do the tips. All I've got to say is look out for part 4 when that comes out. That'll be the final part. So take care, ride safe, and bye for now.